Create your signature on plain paper using a black medium-sized marker pen. Take a picture of the signature using your phone's camera, ensuring it fills the width of the screen. Send the image to your computer and open it with a photo editor. Use the photo editor to adjust levels by dragging the white point and the black point closer to the center. Create a selection of the signature using the Color Range tool. And then export it as a PNG with a transparent background for use in documents or overlaying on images.